Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can add custom fields to the old layout sales forms to record custom data you choose. To enable custom fields in sales forms, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu. In the Account and Settings window that opens, click the Sales button at the menu at the left side of the window. Then click the Sales Form Content section to the right to edit its settings. The Custom Fields setting lets you add custom fields to sales forms. To add a custom field, click the Custom Fields link to open the Custom Fields list. Then click the Add Custom Field button, or click the Add Field button in the upper right corner if you created custom fields already, to then open the Add Custom Field pane. Then type a field name into the Name field. To add the field to sales forms, check the All Sales Forms checkbox. To print the field on sales forms, click the adjacent Print on Form toggle switch. If needed, to add the field to purchase orders, perform the same steps for the Purchase Order checkbox and toggle switch. When finished, click the Save button in the pane to save it, or click the X button in the pane's upper right corner to cancel creating it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.